Did you know that pickled onion are so easy to make? Let us go in the kitchen and make some. Here I have one large red onion. I'm going to go ahead and peel my onion. You want to cut your onion in two, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and slice it thinly. This is how I sliced mine. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And when you subscribe, ensure that you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video whenever I post. Next, I'm just going to use my hands to separate the onions. Now it is time to go ahead and prepare the sauce. On medium heat, I'm going to use 2 cups of white vinegar. You can use opposite cider vinegar if you like. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Two teaspoons of sea salt, 1/3 of cane sugar. Once I had all my ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and stir it until everything is dissolved. Once it comes to a boil, turn off your stove and allow it to cool. Seeing that I have 3 bottles, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cloves. Then I'm going to go ahead and add half teaspoon of peppercorns. It is the same thing as black peppers, okay? Once I add those to the bottles, I'm just going to go ahead and add my sliced onions. And the reason why you want to add the peppercorns or garlic cloves, which is optional, you don't have to add it to the jar along with the onions, is to make it more flavorful or a little more complex, right? You can even mix the vinegar. You can even mix white vinegar with rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar with white vinegar. It's a very fun and tangy combination. So you can go ahead and mix it. Pickled onions are so delicious. You can add them to your salad, your sandwich, on a burger, whatever you choose to do with it. It is very delicious. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pour the liquid over the onions. Then I'm gonna allow it to sit for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is how it is looking. Look at the color. You can see the slight pink. It was bright red, now it is light pink. I'm just gonna use a fork so I can show you closely. Look at that. Look at that. And it tastes so delicious, guys. You should definitely go ahead and give this a try. You will not be disappointed. And I hope that you like this video. Bye.